and welcome to day 10 of the Advent Hiking Challenge. We have the Umstead State Park Company Mail Trail, which is a 5.8 mile loop, rated moderate. Ice skate. That was the wrong chocolate. That was the chocolate for 19. Today's chocolate is the drums. Leave it. Oh. So today Buddy has learned a new thing about today's world called currents. The stream that he was just in, before I even got the film, he was in it. His top half was on a rock, his bottom half was like almost fully submerged in the water, and the current was a little strong, so started pushing his butt like away from him, and the rock was like slanted like this with like nothing to grab on to. So I started pulling him out while he was freaking out, which made him wary of the rest of the water. We are done with the trail. Here are my stats. This trail was very easy for a moderate trail. I mean, at least very easy for me. Another thing that they have in this trail is a native seed library, so take a seed. And so I took one and I got the common rose mallow. So I'm excited to plant these in the spring.